This is Dave with Dave's Workshop, and today we've got a problem. We have one of my wife's hair straighteners. I've already cut the end off, but the cord got damaged, so I've got to clean this thing off and replace the end. Now, the first thing I got to do is strip back this jacket. I'm using a old automotive style wiring tool. There we go. Expose the wire. The white should be the common, the black should be the ground. And the instructions instructions say to strip 1.5 inches. So, get me right where my thumb is. Okay, there's the 1.5 inches stripped back. Okay. Now it says to strip the individuals back 3/4 inch. Yeah. I'm going to go with that. I'm not measuring that. I'm just going to go ahead and remember, 3/4 inch is half of 1.5 inches, right? So, and this is braided wire, so we're going to go ahead and twist it up so it doesn't come loose on us. Okay. Okay, not super accurate, but close enough for rock and roll, right? Okay. So we're going to take the Phillips screwdriver here. Take that apart. Knowing my luck, I probably just screwed something up, but there we go. Here it comes apart. Now, opens up like that. Okay, it says polarized. Round cord, white conductor to silver screw. So this conductor to this screw, and then black to the brass screw. So and the brass screw, more of the same thing. I'm going to try to hook. I'm going to try to make a hook there. I'm going to go back and do the white conductor that way too. That way I have more of the conductor in touch with here. Well, I want as much of the conductor as possible in touch with not just the screw, but the backing plate. And there we go. Okay, so you see there, all the way around, it just loops around. Okay, and let's start to make contact. And let's squish it in real good by tightening it down. And again, more of the same. Got a little hook there. I'm going to go behind the screw. And now we're just going to run that screw in. snug that down. Okay. Let's see if we can't. Let's guide those wires outside there. And let's close. There we go. And there you go. Screw it in, and you're good as new. Now, okay, not necessarily as good as new, but it'll work. Grounded. There we go. Okay, it's doing exactly what I expect it to do. It's powered up, and it's working. So, that's it. That's a really easy fix, and one that I honestly think most people are afraid to make. So, just, read the instructions, and you should be good to go. Alright. Thank you very much for watching, and like I always say, get out to your shop, get busy, be productive, be safe, most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later.